Hello friends, today we will going to start a fresh chapter in mathematics, and that is constructions. You have studied about constructions, you have seen the geometry box, you have seen the protector, the triangles, the compass, the ruler and many other things in the geometry box, and also you have used all these things to construct angles, to construct triangles in your earlier classes, okay, to construct the angle bisector, to construct perpendicular bisector, okay, and all these things you have discussed in your class, okay, you have studied this, all the different kinds of construction in your earlier classes. Now we will continue with the same discussion in class 10th also. In class 10th, let me give you a brief of what we need to understand, what the construction we have to do. So the first thing that we need to do, that we need to construct in class 10th is to draw a line parallel to a given line. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to draw a line parallel to a given line, means there is some line given to me and my task is to construct a line which is parallel to the given line, okay. And the most important thing, we will also see the reasons why we are constructing in a particular manner. For example, if I am talking about to draw a parallel line, then I will let you know some steps of construction, okay, by which you can construct a parallel line. But I will also tell you the reason why these steps are followed, okay, and why the line that we have constructed is a parallel to the given line, okay. Because to understand the reason is also very important. If you know the reason why some particular steps are followed, then you may generate your own steps, okay. You may find different methods, different ways, different algorithms to draw, to construct a similar case, okay, by using some other methods. That's why we will going to see the reason as well. The first thing that we need to do is to draw a line parallel to a given line. Second thing in this chapter that we will learn about is to draw or to divide a given line segment, to divide a given line segment in a particular ratio. In a particular ratio. This is the second thing that we need to understand. Third is to construct or to draw or to construct एक better word है, so construct a triangle similar to a given triangle. इस चैप्टर में हम ये सीखेंगे कि किस तरह से एक गिवन ट्रायंगल के सिमिलर एक और ट्रायंगल हम कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. और खास बात, the triangle that we are constructing, we know that what are similar triangles? All the angles of the similar triangle, the corresponding angles are equal and the sides are proportional. It means the triangle that I need to construct, if I want to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle, what does this mean? It means that angles of the new triangle should be equal, the corresponding angle should be equal. Then the most important thing, what should be the ratio? For example, अगर मैं कहता हूँ, let us say एक ABC एक triangle है मेरे पास, मुझे इस ABC triangle के similar एक और triangle draw करना है. अब आप पूछेंगे कि ट्रायंगल बड़ा होना चाहिए या छोटा. दैट मीन्स यू डू नॉट नो what should be the ratio of the corresponding sides. In that's why I will say that if I am given with a triangle to construct a similar triangle to the given triangle, then the ratio of construction, the ratio of corresponding sides should also be given. So in the bracket I can write with the given ratio. The ratio should be given. Okay. Then the fourth thing that we'll learn in this chapter is to draw tangent to a circle from a point outside it. Okay, to draw tangent to a circle from a point outside it. This is what is the syllabus for your class 10th. Now this chapter is of great importance, I am telling you right now. Why? Because definitely एक क्वेश्चन तो एग्जाम में आएगा ही आएगा इस चैप्टर से, और चैप्टर बहुत ही आसान है. कुछ स्टेप्स हैं बस याद रखने हैं, डायरेक्टली एग्जाम में आपको बस अप्लाई करने हैं. सो इट्स बेटर कि अगर हम सिर्फ इस चैप्टर को 2 to 3 hours in your complete course, okay, I am talking about complete course, not daily or not weekly. मैं सिर्फ कहता हूं कि अगर आपने इस चैप्टर को 2 से 3 घंटे भी दे दिए, देन डेफिनेटली आपके यहां से मार्क्स कंफर्म हो जाएंगे. सो इट्स बेटर कि जो भी मैं सिखाता हूं बड़े ध्यान से सुनिए, ध्यान से नोट कीजिए, एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द रीजन, जो भी रीजन मैं किसी गिवन कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए दूंगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विथ the construction or the construction of a parallel line to a given line. So first thing, the first case, first construction, or let us write it like this. Construction 1. The construction 1 will deal with to construct a line parallel to a given line. एक लाइन के पैरेलल एक और लाइन किस तरह से ड्रॉ की जाए, इस चीज को हम यहां पर सीखेंगे. नाउ विथ साइमल्टेनियसली drawing the construction, I am going to write the steps of construction as well. So here I will going to write steps of construction. Okay, यहां पर मैं लिखूंगा steps of construction. Okay, step 1. Now for that हमें क्या कहा गया है? In the construction it is given that to construct a line parallel to a given line. Okay, so it means there is some given line. So let me first draw the given line. Let me first draw the given line. Let us say this is a line L which is given to me. Let us say this L is the given line. I am assuming that this L is a given line. Now what should be the second step? The first step, now I can see the line is given to me, I need to draw a line parallel to this given line. So the steps of construction, please focus it very carefully. Steps of construction, the first step is to draw any line M, okay, making an acute angle with given line. Okay, what is the first step? Draw any line M making an acute angle with the given line. So this is the given line. Now I will draw a line M which is acute to this given line. So how will I draw an acute line? Like this. You can see You can see this line, okay, this line is, let us say, line M, and you can see this line is making an acute angle with line L. Okay, this line is making an acute angle with line L. Now, what should be the next step? In the next step, what I will do is mark an arc from point A. Okay, let us say that the intersection of both the lines is point A. So what is the second step is to mark an arc from point A. It means taking this point A as the center and I will draw an arc. So let us draw an arc using this point A as the center. So this is the center. Now what I will do is I will mark an arc like this. You can see this is the center. Like this. So this is my arc. Okay. Now this is my arc. I can see. ये मेरा arc बन गया. Okay. Now the third step is with same radius draw an arc from B. Draw an arc from B. B is a random point, a randomly chosen point on line M. Okay. B क्या है? P एक randomly हमने एक point choose किया इस line M पे. Okay. और हमें same radius की, जितने radius का ये arc है, with the same radius I need to mark an arc from this point B. So how will I mark the arc? I will put the point of this compass at B and draw an arc like this. Okay, I will put this center with B as the center. I will draw an arc like this. You can see this is the arc, okay, with B as the center. Now the fourth step. Step 4. Step 4 is using CD as radius, draw an arc from E intersecting the previous arc at F. Okay. Now what are C, D and E? I am saying that this arc जो हमने यहाँ पर एक arc draw करी थी, let us say this arc intersects this line M at point C and line L at point D, and this is assumed as point E. Now step क्या कहता है? Measure this CD. इस CD को radius लेके इस E point को center लेकर एक arc draw कीजिए. So I will measure this CD. You can see this is the CD. This is the length of CD. Now using this E as the center, I will draw an arc like this. Like this. This will be my arc. Okay. This will be my arc and I will say that this is the point F. मैं इस point को कहूँगा point F. Okay. This is the point F. Now what is the fifth step? The fifth step will be join B and F and produce in either direction, okay, or produce in both the direction. So what I am saying is fifth step will be, जो ये हमने F point determine किया और जो B point determine किया, join these two points and produce this line, okay, and I will say join this B and F. So I will join this B point and F point, and this will give you this as a line. This will be the line, okay, and I am naming this line as, let us say, line N. मैं कहता हूं B और F को ज्वाइन करने से जो लाइन बनी इसे मैं लाइन N कह देता हूं. And you can see this line N is parallel to line L. लाइन N और लाइन L बिल्कुल पैरेलल हैं एक दूसरे के, okay? So the sixth step will be N is parallel to L, and this completes the construction. और इस तरह से हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन को कंप्लीट कर लिया. क्या करा हमने? सबसे पहले हमने एक आर्क ड्रॉ करी, ओके, सॉरी, सबसे पहले हमने एक लाइन M ड्रॉ करी. लाइन M और लाइन L के इंटरसेक्शन पे एक आर्क ड्रॉ करी, ओके. नाउ सिमिलर रेडियस की आर्क हमने यहां पर एक B पॉइंट अज्यूम करके रैंडमली उससे ड्रॉ करी, एंड देन हमने इस CD को मेजर करा और इतने ही मेजरमेंट की आर्क यहां पर बनाई, एंड वी गॉट दिस line as N, and I am calling this line as parallel to line L, okay. So in this method, in this way, we can construct a line parallel to a given line. So this completes the first theorem, that is to draw a line parallel to a given line. हमने इसे समझ लिया है. Now after this we will start understanding the second line, which is to divide a given line in a particular ratio. Okay, एक particular given ratio में हम एक लाइन को कैसे डिवाइड करना है इस चीज को सीखेंगे. So for that, first completely note this, each and everything, each and every step, and take a 1 minute break, observe these steps, and if required, again watch what I have done here. Okay, again watch all the steps of construction, you will grasp the concepts better. Okay, so you can note this.